Hey everybody, Wendy Devereaux here. Welcome to my channel. If you would like to see how I made this teal and gold canvas painting, then please keep watching. For today's DIY, I'm going to be using an 18 by 24 inch canvas, and you can use whatever size canvas fits your space. It doesn't matter what size it is. My color combination is this really pretty blue-green iridescent, and my glitters are this extra fine Paradise, which I have used before in my videos, an extra fine gold, my gold mini mirror tiles. I'm using gold crushed filler glass. You can buy this at Michael's. And I'm going to be using a gloss Mod Podge and a clear Elmers glue. I will leave a complete list of my items in my description box, and I will point them out as I'm applying them to my canvas. So yeah, you guys, let's get started. This is the iridescent blue-green. I'm just gonna go ahead and paint my canvas, the whole canvas with this. I'm just gonna spritz my brush here with a little water. This is such a pretty color. Okay, now I'm just going to go down my canvas nice and straight. Okay, so the first coat of my blue-green is all dry, and I'm going to apply a second coat. Okay, and then I'm going to come down my canvas nice and straight. Okay, my paint is all dry, and now I am going to put a coat of gloss Mod Podge on here. And I just have some in my cup here. I like to stir it up a little bit from that big tub, make sure there's no clumps. Okay, while my Mod Podge is drying on my canvas, I'm going to go ahead and cut my pieces out for my design around my canvas. And I'm using the gold mini mirror tiles. I still have a bunch of the sheets left that I purchased from Dollarama. You can buy mini mirror tiles off of Amazon. There's all kinds of suppliers on there. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out the pieces that I think I want for my design, and they're very easy to cut, you guys. They have a self-adhesive backing as well, and you just go ahead and you score them with an X-Acto knife. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut my pieces, my design, and then I'll bring you back because I can continue on with my canvas even though my Mod Podge isn't dry yet. So I have all of my mini mirror tiles cut out and placed on my canvas approximately how I want them. And I just have them on this canvas because I don't want to forget how I want to place them on the actual canvas that I'm working on. So I'm just going to move them over to here. And because the Mod Podge is still wet, I am going to be able to just go ahead and place these on using the self-adhesive backing on them, as well as utilizing the Mod Podge that's still damp. This is a 3-row piece that I have. I thought it would be kind of neat as part of my design. Okay, my mini mirror tiles are all adhered onto my canvas, and now I'm going to be putting on my crushed glass and glitter. And I'm going to be using the gold. You can pick it up at Michael's. It's Ashland brand. And I'm also going to be using the Paradise extra fine glitter and my extra fine gold. And I'm going to be adhering everything today with an Elmers clear glue. I'm going to start, I think, up top here. And if you've watched any of my other videos, I always avoid my mini mirror tiles. But when I did my last red and gold one, I really, really liked the look of it. I think I'll add some up in here. Ooh, that's a really nice big piece. Okay, I'm just going to add some crushed glass here. Usually I add my glitter on first, but I'm going to try doing my glass first. And because this is such a beautiful, bold blue-green paint, I really want to make sure that I get lots of glass in there. I think it'll look really pretty. Okay, and this is now my Paradise. And a little more fine, extra fine gold here. Okay, and now I'm going to move over to this edge here, and I want to come down so I'm just kind of where I want this a little bit thicker, like wider. I'm just kind of moving my glue bottle here around. And then I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but the spaces it's making, the pattern with the glue, I want to keep that. Now before I add my crushed glass and glitter, I want to make these more into peaks. They're coming out of the glue bottle a little too round for me. So just on the tips, I'm going to kind of make them more like an icicle here. Okay, do the same here. Add my crushed glass first. Oops. Some of these bigger pieces won't look as good as the little ones down at the peaks. Okay. I'm gonna add my extra fine. This is just, yeah, this is an extra fine gold. Some of them are just, it's fine, and then some are extra fine. And then any exposed glue now will pick up this paradise. Okay, and then I'm going to take my brush again here, you guys. Make those into more of a peak. My paradise again. So once this is all dry, I'm gonna let it dry overnight. I will bring you back and we'll brush it off. Okay, so this has been drying overnight and my glue is nice and hard now. It's all cured and we are going to brush it off. Okay, and now I'm just going to use the soft brush of on my vacuum cleaner here, you guys, just to pick up any excess glitter and crushed glass. So just watch your ears. Okay, everybody, here's the finished look. I am so pleased with this color combination. I love that blue-green iridescent paint with gold accents. This is so, so pretty. And I really love using my mini mirror tiles like this. One thing, I don't need as many. And you can apply them in any kind of a design that you want, right? Let's bring you nice and close here. And normally, you guys, if I'm applying Mod Podge to my canvas, after my paint has dried and before I put my crushed glass and glitter, I wait until the Mod Podge is completely dry before I add my crushed glass and glitter, because I don't want overspill into the canvas. But my Mod Podge was a little tacky yet, and I really, really like that effect that it gave it. I'm just gonna kind of put you on an angle here so you can see what I'm talking about. See the way the gold glitter is outlining where my peaks are? That is perfect. I'm gonna have to keep that in mind. I had been trying to figure out a way to achieve that look, and I know how now. Oh, this is so pretty, you guys. The gold and the teal is such a beautiful color combination. So yeah, you guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. It'll really help my channel, and it'll let me know that you like this sort of a video. And as always, you guys, I so appreciate you taking the time to watch, and God bless.